What's up everyone, it's Kelly and today I've got another swatch review for you. So today I am partnering up with Cirque Colors to show you their new Good Luck Duo in honor of the Lunar New Year, which is actually January 22nd this year. And fun fact, it is the year of the rabbit. And if you want to know more fun facts about Lunar New Year, stick around to the end of the video. Before we get into the details, if you haven't heard of Cirque Colors before, they are an independent nail polish brand that is based in the US, but they are available internationally. And all of their products are 10 free, meaning they are free of 10 of the potentially harmful ingredients that can be found in nail polish. They are vegan, meaning they do not use any animal-derived ingredients, and they're cruelty-free, meaning they do not test their products on animals. So we've got a brand new nail polish, which is actually a jelly finish, which I'm very excited about, and then we have a set of nail stickers that actually have Lunar New Year inspired designs, and they have a ton of different finishes. So we've got some metallic gold ones, we've got some hollow, and we even have some regular matte finish ones. So I'm going to show you a swatch of the jelly polish first, then I'm going to give you a little mini tutorial on how to use the nail art stickers, and then because I can't help myself when it comes to jelly nail polish, I thought we would do a little bit of experimenting with the jelly plus the stickers and see if we can come up with a little jelly sticker sandwich. So we'll do that, and then we'll talk a little bit more about pricing, availability, all that good stuff. So roll the footage. Alright, so let's start off by swatching the polish. This one is called Lucky Jelly, and as you can see, it is a bright red jelly nail polish. So if you're not familiar with jellies, basically they are intentionally sheer polishes that you can build up, and they do have a super high glossy shine. So in the first coat, you can see it's super sheer. If you want that slightly sheer jelly look, I think 2 coats is the perfect amount, at least for my nail length. So here's what it looks like in 2 coats. Again, really gorgeous, super high gloss, and it has a little bit of that sheerness to it, but in 3 coats it actually does give me full coverage, and it still has that jelly squishiness to it. And I actually love this shade of red. It's not like a primary red kind of color, it's a little bit deeper, so it feels a little bit more rich and a little bit more elegant on the nail. So I absolutely love the way it looks in 2 coats, but I also love how it looks in 3. I think it's just really pretty, it's really shiny, and it feels very smooth and even. It doesn't have any sort of patchiness to it. And then we have the second part of the duo, which is these Good Luck ready-to-wear nail art stickers. So we actually have a ton of different types of designs, and we have a ton of different finishes. We've got some hollow ones, we've got some metallic ones. I'm gonna first show you how to use them with these little matte ones. So I'm using the little orange. I'm actually going over my Lucky Jelly manicure, which is fully dry. The stickers will stick to it, and basically I am just using a tweezer and I am gently peeling it off of the sticker sheet, and then I'm placing it on my nails. And you'll also see that I am gently pushing down the edges with the tweezer as well. Just want to make sure that it curves nicely to my nail so that it doesn't stick up. And here's what it looks like before the top coat. You can see there's a very slight edge around each sticker, but actually once you apply the top coat, it kind of disappears into the manicure. So once you apply your top coat, and I'm just using the Cirque liquid laminate top coat, it blends in really seamlessly, and honestly it pretty much looks just like nail art that you did yourself. So that's really awesome. I thought this looked really gorgeous, and I was immediately struck with inspiration to try this as a jelly manicure. So I did a little combination. I started off with 1 coat of the Lucky Jelly, and I applied that, waited for it to dry completely, because when you're working with nail art stickers, you want to make sure that your base layer is dry. And then I'm going to go in with a couple of these gold metallic clouds. There's a couple of different types of designs. We've got these filled in ones, and then we also have these little outline ones. So I applied 2 of them on that first layer, and again I just placed them on gently, and then I pressed around the edges to make sure that it sat nicely on my nails. And then I went in with a second coat of the Lucky Jelly, and you could see immediately it still shows the sticker through, but it almost pushes the sticker a tiny bit into the background. You can see a little bit of that reddish coloring over the gold, and honestly the combination of the red over that gold, making it this really warm, almost orangey gold color, was absolutely stunning. So then I went in with a third little cloud. I placed it on that top layer, and then I went in with a third layer of Lucky Jelly just to push everything into the background a little bit more. And you can see the two clouds that were in the first layer are pushed back a little bit more, and then we get the slightly more gold one that is on the second layer. So absolutely loved this. Didn't realize that I could do jelly sandwiches with stickers before this, so this is going to be my new thing that I do all the time. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to experiment with the other stickers as well. So yeah, that is the Good Luck Duo, and honestly, I am very pleased with how my experimenting turned out. Overall, I was actually really impressed with these stickers. I think one thing that I struggle with a little bit when it comes to nail art stickers is being able to see the outline really well, but I felt that these blended into the nail so nicely, especially after I put the top coat on over them. So they're very malleable. They don't really stick up or anything. So it kind of blends seamlessly into your nail, and I really enjoyed that. And of course, you know how I feel about jellies. I absolutely love them, so I always love adding a new jelly to my collection. And I think this actually happens to be a pretty unique red, so I'm really into that as well. So the jelly polish comes in an 11 milliliter bottle. It does have a round skinny brush, and it's retailing on the Cirque website for $12.50 USD, and it is going to be a part of their permanent line. And then the Good Luck ready to wear nail art stickers. These are actually limited edition, and these are running for $10 USD each, and you get a bunch of stickers on here, so you can definitely get a lot of good manicures out of this. Cirque is also offering a discounted rate if you get the Good Luck Duo set, so that'll retail for $20.25 USD on the Cirque website, so I'll link that down below. You can check that out if you're interested. And actually, I feel like I don't mention this a lot, but the Cirque liquid laminate top coat is one of my favorite top coats. It's one of the go-to ones that I wear all the time. I highly recommend it. I thought it worked really well with the nail art stickers, so if you're picking up an order from them, may as well try it as well. But yeah, I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this release. What do you think of the jelly? What do you think of the stickers? Are you planning on picking either or both of them up? If you have, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you enjoy my swatch and review videos, please give this one a thumbs up. It lets me know I'm doing a good job. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And of course, a huge shout out to my supporters on Patreon, my royal astronomer Amanda M, as well as my cosmic admirals Rocket Man's daughter, Paola, Ken, and Rosie. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Today's fun fact is about Lunar New Year. I think this is just a really fun little tidbit. So I was born in 1991, which means that I was born during the year of the goat, and I thought it would be fun if we could look through that together, because I've known that, but I didn't ever know what the characteristics of the goat were. So I thought we could look at it together and see if it's accurate. And also, if anybody else knows what their Lunar New Year animal is, definitely let me know in the comments. Okay, so it says people born in a year of the goat are generally believed to be gentle. I don't know if that's true for me. Mild-mannered, again, I don't know if that's true. I feel like I'm a little hard-headed. Shy, definitely true. Stable, definitely not true. Sympathetic, true. Amicable, I'd like to think so. And brimming with a strong sense of kind-heartedness and justice. I think that's true as well. These people have very delicate thoughts, strong creativity, I think that's true, and perseverance, and acquire professional skills well. Oh my gosh, this is actually crazy. So it says the lucky numbers for people born in a year of the goat are 2 and 7, which, let me tell you, I was born on July, the 7th month of the year. 7-2, and those are actually my 2 lucky numbers. So this is very good. And it also says my lucky colors are brown, red, and purple. I feel like that's true as well. I don't know anything about flowers, but it does say my lucky flowers are carnations and primroses. I gotta say, that stuff is really fun. So if anybody wants to share their animal or their characteristics in the comments, please let me know. And let me know if you think that those are true, because I don't know, I think mine are pretty accurate. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.